welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about some things that I have actually sat down and written down on a piece of paper. So if you see me looking down, just like just don't even say nothing about that, because I'm like reading off the paper about what I'm going to be talking to you guys about today. And I'm just going to kind of explain like who I am, like what I do on a daily basis, what do I do for a living, all of that stuff, like basic stuff that you should know about someone. Who am I? Well, my name is Shamari Bing. I go by Bing a lot. I did sports. I did different type of activities in school when I was in college. I am 19 now. I will be 20 in December. That's crazy to say, but yeah, 20 in December. What do I do? I go to school. I am a college student, and I am a mother. That's actually one of the questions too. But yeah, I mean, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I just really focus on school. I am looking forward to getting into like a job or something like that. Something like that would be useful because I get bored a lot. Do I work? No, I don't work. Like I said, I go to school. I have two kids, two girls, Sanat and Rocky. Sanat she is almost about to be 1.5, and then Rocky is, let me see, she is about to be 5 months. Yes, she's 5 months now. Yesterday. I am a Muslim. I get that question a lot from a lot of people, but I am Muslim. I became Muslim about, I want to say maybe 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, I became Muslim 4 or 5 years ago. What type of channel is this? This channel is based on a lot of different things. Like, it's going to be like kind of like a mixture. But for the most part, it's going to be for vlogs and makeup. But there will be some other things in there, like, going to travel to certain places, just like fun stuff, you know what I mean? Like, just being able to explore life and understand life. But yeah, it's basically just, for makeup tutorials and, everyday blogs. Like, let's see. What to look for next. Okay, in my next videos, maybe I might go ahead and film a makeup tutorial today. I'm really not sure yet. And I do have to cook some things today too. So maybe that's something that you guys can look forward to. Maybe on like later on today, I might go ahead and do that one, the makeup tutorial. I am going to be blogging every, I would say every day, but it's just going to be broken up into different days. So like, I'm going to vlog for the whole day, and then I'll go ahead and upload it by the end of that day. So I'm going to probably start today, since I'm starting to get kind of used to getting on and talking to you guys and stuff like that. And then another thing that I would like to look for next to into some videos is like finding new friends, you know what I mean? Like understanding people, you know what I mean? Getting to learn different types of groups of people that is out there, letting people know that you guys are all welcome to come and, you know what I mean, sit down with me and talk to me, and just explain anything that you want. I'm an open person. I love to talk, as you can see. I just love to be around other people. So yeah, and then just to understand the subscribers, to understand people, period. You don't have to be a subscriber to, for me to understand, or for you to go ahead and comment something and I'll answer the questions. But it's up to you guys. If you guys would like, to get personal with me and get a little bit closer to me, then that's fine. I'm an open person. I'm not saying that this is just all business. No, it's, it's networking. It's being able to understand people and to connect with other people that is not like you. Even if there's people that's just like me, that's Muslim, or that's the same skin color as me, or if you're not the same skin color as me, or you don't have the same religion as me, you can still come and look at my videos and understand, everybody. We're all human, let me see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cook some stuff today. It's probably gonna be something very, very simple. Very, very simple, because I don't really feel like cooking today. But yeah, we're just gonna go from there and see what happens. Like I said, I am gonna go ahead and post this video. I might go ahead and add the makeup tutorial to this video. So if so, just keep watching. But if I don't, then it would be in the next video coming from this one. So yeah, let me see. Am I missing anything? Not really anything else. I don't think so. So, I mean, just keep looking forward to my videos. I'm trying to upload every day. You know what I mean? Let me see, something else that's coming up. This week is Thursday. I will be going to IKEA to go and look for the makeup organizer, so that I can go ahead and put all of my makeup in the organizer. Okay, so from there, okay, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I know that I'm new to Facebook. I mean, to YouTube, not Facebook. Sorry, guys, but to YouTube, and I want to be able to have more subscribers. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to do a giveaway, but I need people to go ahead and spread the word about my channel. So I mean, like I said, and I put this on Facebook, I put this on all of my networks and everything, that, you know, I will be giving away some makeup, some free makeup. It will all be free, and it will be shipped to you. It can be shipped to you, or it can be just go ahead and driven to you. If you're close enough to me, I can go ahead and just drop it off somewhere. We can meet somewhere in a very public place, and I can go ahead and just give you the giveaway. Like I said, the giveaway includes makeup, maybe some facial products, maybe some hair products. I'm not really sure as to what I want to put in there yet, but I know for sure it will be makeup. But in order to get this giveaway, to go ahead and to enter into it, you do have to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel down below. You have to comment something very, very nice. You have to share this video onto another network, so that way, you know, people can start to grab it too as well. And go ahead and just do those things, and then I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Whoever I find that has done all of those things, and I know for sure that they have done all of those things, then I will go ahead and select a person to to give the giveaway to, the gift away to. So I will probably pick them, maybe I want to say Wednesday night. So just stay tuned, and you know what I mean. Still, if you even if you don't go ahead and you can't do all of those things, I mean, still take the time and you know, the opportunity to comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys will like, even if you're not subscribed to me. So I mean, just keep looking forward to that. And I think that's really it for this vlog right here. So I will let you guys go, and we'll just keep looking forward to, you know what I mean, you guys. So thank you for watching. Bye.